If you have a refrigerator side by side, KitchenAid or Whirlpool, and the fresh food compartment is not working, you have to check this. We're going to remove the return grill located in the middle of the fresh food compartment, and we're going to look for ice. If we have any ice around that vent, the air is not going to be going through the fresh food compartment. After you check that for ice, we're going to do the second test. We're going to open the freezer door, and if we feel any air coming through the damper, that's exactly the problem. The liner is frozen in the middle, and it's no return. Like and subscribe.